Good day. My name is Nicole Natividad, and in this video, I am going to demonstrate gowning and gloving procedure with the closed glove technique. First, make sure that your hands are above the elbow, between the axillary line and waist, and stand at 12 to 18 inches in front of the back table. Bend slightly at your waist and keep the elbows bent, and pinch and lift the towel using your right hand without touching or dripping the sterile field. So after scrubbing our hand, we need to completely dry our hands. So we start first with the fingers, wrist, forearm, down to the elbow. And make sure not to go back and forth. And using the other side of the towel, we're going to repeat the steps. So it's still the same, fingers, wrist, forearm, down to the elbow. Again, make sure not to go back and forth. And lastly, dispose the towel in the proper receptacle. Now that we've dried our hands, we're ready for the gowning. So grasp the center of the gown near the neck with one hand and lift the gown off the sterile field. And make sure to look at the gown before you pick it up. If the cuff of the gown is on the left side, use your left hand to pick it up. Whereas if the cuff of the gown is on the right side, use your right hand to pick it up. So the cuff of the gown is on the left side, so I'm going to use my left hand. So make sure that the gown remains folded as you back away from the field. And always continue to face the field. So now I'm going to insert my hands. So always go forward, slide forward. So it's like swimming. Make sure that your fingers are behind the white cuff, or make sure that you do not go all the way out of the gown. So now I'm in my gown and my fingers are behind the white cuff. It's time to glove using the closed gloving method. So now I will open the package of my gloves and we will do the left glove first. So using my right hand, I'm going to pick the left glove up. And I will make sure that the left thumb of the glove touches the left thumb of my hand. And then, okay, slide your hand all the way in of the gown. Just like this. So make sure that your hands or your fingers are inside the holes. And you can adjust the gown after. Next is we're going to repeat the same steps. So we will pick up the right glove using my left hand. Okay. And then again, make sure that the right thumb touches the right thumb of my hand, the right thumb of the glove. So hand, or slide your hand all the way in. So I can touch the gloves since this is sterile. And then, adjust your gloves, your gown afterwards. Okay. So this is how we do gloving. So usually, there's a tag that I'm going to pull off and give to the circulator. And I will turn. And as I turn, I exposed my back to the back table. And the circulator will close off the back of my gown. So this is how we do gowning and gloving. Thank you for watching this video.